Inside quarantine.
Where you there? Inside.
Yeah.
Inside.
Alright, boy, now. My boy, wash him on. My boy, a cook. Bumbo clean. The man that do everything whatever you do in the house. Hey, I something like it thing for stay that. The man take advantage of the whole situation, brother. Man, show no one of you do inside. What's up, YouTube? It's about Jamaican star. With the inside, as a song name, Ding Dong. Inside the people, official music, official viral video. Sorry, not music video, official viral video. Okay, man, I'm back. Anyways, don't know that. So, wait, inside quarantine time, we have to stay home. You see me carrying up on the road after 8 o'clock in Jamaica, 6 o'clock in America, and that 6 o'clock, you know. But anyways, if you want to react to that video the right way, so don't forget already. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Please like the video if you haven't liked the video. Like the video before watching. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So make... And you're the home and you're watching the videos and want some reactions to watch, you're in the right place. So just subscribe and touch the bell. Make us see what Ding Dong I did with the man inside. What is saying personally mean? I wonder if I in the house man for the whole time. We don't know. As usual, people, I don't watch videos, so I can see what go on, man. Playing a bum buckle belt. Okay. Bum buckle. I am inside. Oh, you know, I forget the voice. No, that's not the voice. I am inside quarantining. You should be inside quarantining. Come on, clap it up, brother. Clap it up, brother. Clap it up, brother. The baddest bumbo clip vocals in the history. Take over 2020 so far. Ready. Alright, ready. Bomba. Imagine if there was like 3 ding dongs. 2 wipe and a few. Imagine for that 3 ding dong the boat, dog. I must have expect because for one, my ride so far in the house. You mean house? Tell them I say that house. Probably just the name house in the world every day. My ride so far. Got you. Inside quarantine.
Where you there? Inside.
Yeah.
Inside.
Alright, boy, now. My boy, wash him on. My boy, a cook. Bumbo clean. The man that do everything whatever you do in the house. Hey. I something like it thing for stay that. The man take advantage of the whole situation, brother. Man, show no one of you do inside. But hold on there. We hear there. Much time we hear the man say inside so far. Run through, make you what go on.
Inside.
Yeah?
Inside.
Inside, that girl them want go. But anyways, you see the man just there home. Inside. That's song you make and the music video show everything where you do inside. You watch TV for the whole day. While you sleep or no. You watch TV for the whole day. You cook. You wash your hand. Make sure you wash your hand. Quarantine time. And then you have a fat sexy girl beside you. You see her there? Yeah. Where you there? In the comment section. Where you there? In the comment section. Which part you there? Inside. More say, I see no man comment inside. A girl comment inside. Try go before 8 o'clock. Run through the door.
Inside.
Hold on there.
Me just a chill inside.
Yeah. Hold on there. More somebody if you come more yeah, we should make these things like you know them international artists that somebody when an artist make a song and the song are viral and whatever. How many times did the man Ding Dong say inside? Cause the amount of time here inside already, you know, dog. The book page supposed to like you can get the lyrics, dog, and say something right, dog. You see me I say? Inside. Be inside supposed to be on the book, dog. But just I said, dog, we should have someone in Jamaica do them thing up on YouTube too. But run through. So if I'm not gonna say inside for the world the video, dog, how me I gonna react to this, dog? Just preview video then.
Netflix inside.
Yeah.
Mega box inside.
Yeah.
Me and my wife are cuddle inside.
Yeah. Oh, step on my chat. I'm sorry. I apologize to your wife. You're a beautiful young lady. My name is Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I don't want to be inside of you. Only Ding Dong should be inside of you. Well, not my Ding Dong, but you're Ding Dong. Not my Ding Dong, but you're Ding Dong. Ding Dong. Lord, run June.
Cook inside, curry chicken pan the stove, butter bean.
Inside, Bumbuckly, yeah.
Still a bun in a for me house, no time the fuck.
I'm gonna curry chicken pan what I be no more get you but more so I must say people the video out pan ding and channel can go pre-it. Don't know me right to things so I pause and I give my opinion. You understand me? When you understand my now, so I bless up on yourself. But roll it back, the ones who are going inside of the house, in the kitchen. Curry chicken in the pot.
Food I cook inside, curry chicken pan the stove, butter bean to the side. Grace.
Bumbuckly, the man that give me a name, Grace. Every day I go viral, you know. I go think some react to it from now. I kinda come back to the anti-Americans, them people. I used to wait and give them a day for them go and get them views. But I not care again, yo. Because my name is consistent. To post every day. You want me to know? Yeah. Run it through and do curry chicken and look good. With the butter bean pan inside. Grace. That bad, me not like that bad.
I grade still a bun in a for me house, no time the fun can done.
Yeah.
Any man build a virus a wicked. If you not
Man a sanitize done everything. But the man a show man showing the PlayStation. The basically man showing say youths. All of they bond with same inside. Make sure say you're not bond with for the whole day and not kill off yourself. You see me? Make sure you play some game inside. And make sure you have your wife at your side inside. And make sure you have food. Not only the weed. So for the weed man, them take a look at advice. I'm ding dong. Running through no, it's not bad.
sanitize your hand, then you stupid.
Yeah.
TikTok dancing video now, post it. Wall of vibes if your phone them not cook it. Boy.
Everything what the world and I do in the yard, you know. TikTok. I'm telling you that the man just like him sit down and meds while go on. Meds what everybody I do, you know. You know say woman, people that cook for real, you know say everybody I cook. Inside cooking, because people not really have a fast food again too. The meds that you know. And because woman meds say, alright, so for the man them. You need a woman in the yard, man. For the man them can't have no girl over, I'm sorry for no hush. But you have to have your woman on your side too. Then you have to have the weed on your side. And I'm sure the place, you have to have the game for play too. You see me I try to say? The man like you sit on meds, everything will go on how people actually I don't know. Let's build someone can relate to. TikTok. Everybody who's not everybody. But 90% of the world right now do TikTok.
You know see Ramesh radio gone live.
Yeah.
So me can't boring for the night.
Yeah.
Deja text me say bro you a hide, me say no.
Ramesh radio gone live. Oh yeah, me say Ramesh start do the live something there too on the dog. Where you have a girl that come on live and a twerking and a go on with a bag of chips, you know. Everybody I deal with it now. I forgot do it too. I forgot do that too. I forgot do that too. And get some of them girls in my video for go on, for my life for go on twerk. Get some new fans. Right you do?
You just buy car, go inside. Where me there? Inside.
Oh yeah there. Inside. She be the Bumbuckly. What a dance name that? I not dance on that, but white name. Dig now ravers run out in the comment section. But anyways, how many say again? How many that Bumbuckly say? Yeah! That video I like says a homemade video too. You see me, him not call over no video man to do it like him do it himself and edit it himself. Dig now, can you do it yourself? Let me know. Let me know. I must still do it because everything the inside. You see me I say, so you know what nobody, you know what the corona video man them for come in your house, come shoot a video, come left corona in your house, so them corona camera. So he use him iPhone, I use him own camera and do it himself. Cause him do it what? Inside. That's it look.
Inside. You know here.
Inside. Yeah man. Actually 2K I play that, I'm waiting for some Fortnite or some Bumbuckly. Why is that a game there dog? PUBG. No, PUBG play on PlayStation 4. But I think I play some Fortnite, dog, or some more money at GTA, brother. But don't play 2K, dog. Especially Jamaicans, dog. They have the weird nerd Jamaicans, they will play them game, you know. But nobody not play 2K, brother. Nobody not play 2K. Because I know me about good. That's why I say nobody not play that. Because I not play that Bumbuckly belt. Don't you know? I have it, you know. Feel like I'm going to stream that one day tonight. We need to go up on the stream tonight again, you know. Tune in for the stream later tonight. I go live tonight. Tell you already. Run tune.
Inside. Me no know.
Somebody really come ring the man doorbell. Somebody really come ring the doorbell at them time, yeah? You think say ding dong, I go open the door for you. Make you see what go on.
But me know who nah go out there.
Come here, go say you go open the door. You madman. We not catch no corona. Hold on, the shirt name Corona. Bumbuckly, me dead. I'm dead. I am dead. Wait. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. May I get the St. Louis talking now, people. St. Louis people say I'm dead when something funny. Yeah. Yes. American Saints. It's taking me over, guys. 1 year in America and I'm talking like them already. I'm dead. But anyways, the shirt say Corona, dog. Man said, man, go out there.
Hey bro, you me just ask if you know about the keep for your round robin this Friday. No, right now I'm afraid of people.
No, right now I'm not afraid of nobody. I want to come watch the video. I'm not afraid. You know, so actually, I'm not afraid of the corona. The only reason I wear my mask to my workplace is for wear it. Because the news saying a dog, if you don't sick, you don't need to wear it, brother. You did me I say? On my workplace say, yo, rups. So me look like a doctor right now at work. Me have mask, me have gloves. You see me? Me fully strapped. Me can't catch the corona. Me fully strapped. But run through.
How long me not even see my vehicle? You
Yeah.
do the right thing, bro, your family need you. Me gone on me yard, gonna go quarantine too. Where me there?
Well, on the ding dong. You say no long your car don't say. That means your car won't start. You have to know if you start the car now and then, brother. Or usually get cold up, dog. As I'm not saying the whole of them bumbuckler mechanic man, you go rich when the bumbuckler quarantine thing done, the dog. The whole of them mechanic man, where the man fix car, them are go rich when quarantine done. Because everybody car better than car start. That time there, I'm telling you, no, brother. Take it thing serious, dog, but don't take it too serious. So you not go out and do none at all. You have to go get a little fresh air and go look a girl. You want to you? I say best enough for look and star come and switch where them live. Can't come in a little bit, make a little sugar. Just because you want to say when I was start. Run through though.
Inside.
Inside.
Where you there?
Inside.
Inside.
Hold on the people. Me check again because I know my video them are long from one day. So I try to cut it back down. So I check how much time. See it there? The video gone over 10 minutes already, people. So know what we're gonna do? Wrap it up.
Inside.
Wrap it up.
Not inside right now. But what we gonna do? I for one safety.
Oh, but man now stuck inside right now. So what we gonna do? I for one safety. I don't like for one safety. Say if we just go and talk it out in your house and build vibes inside. No. Like people want to go subscribe to my other channel. I have a next channel. I'm gonna put this first link down below in the description. I'm gonna pin it in the comment section. Go and subscribe to my new channel, people. You understand me? Me and my girlfriend. She American. Me a Jamaican. Go check it out. Support the thing. You think you get lit, you know. But you don't know. Me try to post up some video over there for now. Video for go go watch one and go over there. So I'm now going to promote it too hard right now. I want to go pre it and mince it. You see me? I say, but only true though.
So stay inside.
Yeah. Motivational thing. For the youths them.
Stay in your yard. If you not go outside, now come out of your yard. Stay inside.
Actually, you know you have to do it. I know you have to say something like that at the end. People, I'm going to say that for though. Subscribe to my channel. Don't stay inside and don't subscribe. Make sure you stay inside and you subscribe with notifications on. Big up on yourself. Alright, I'm back again. You have watched and enjoyed the full video, right? Now, what I want you guys to do is touch the head right here, so the head, the circle, and subscribe to my girlfriend, me and my girlfriend channel, the couple channel, MONII and Tyrekejt. Subscribe right there. So touch the head right there and subscribe. Big up yourself.